This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sharon Cohan. Delightful lake view attached villa in sought-after Ibis Cove. This immaculately well-maintained home lives like a single-family home with a two-car garage. The Hibiscus floor plan has volume ceilings and provides flexibility for the third bedroom to be used as a den. The villa has an extended sunny lanai, new water heater and garage door opener. The kitchen cabinets and countertops are new. Great location.Motivate owner for an annual renter. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Cohan at 239-370-2323.